Let's talk about OSDCloud. I'm David Segura, a software engineer at Recast, PowerShell MVP, and community enthusiast, and I want to tell you all about it. OSDCloud is a Windows deployment solution, community-based, PowerShell-backed, used millions of times by hundreds of people around the world. And it's helpful for many people today, helping them get off MDT, helping them fill that gap for SCCM, going from Config Manager, OSD, to Autopilot, and helping them get off of Config Manager and using native tools to deploy Windows. Let's talk about MDT. MDT is Microsoft Deployment Toolkit, been used millions of times, was supported by Microsoft until this year. Unfortunately, it's no longer supported, leaving hundreds and thousands of customers behind with how to get off MDT. MDT has been vital for many customers, and OSDCloud today can help bridge that gap. I started OSDCloud years ago around COVID, and it was more or less to try and find a simpler way to do OS deployment without the dependencies of a connected environment. Coming from the oil services industry, we couldn't always connect to SCCM. Intune didn't exist, and we built devices remotely. So MDT was a tool of choice, but it just didn't provide everything we needed, and that's where OSDCloud started. Fixing the little nuances that helped elevate MDT to a next level, and eventually OSDCloud became its own deployment solution, replacing MDT for us in the enterprise. When COVID hit, many remote customers, many remote users couldn't deploy computers anymore because now they found their devices weren't connected. And that picked up incredibly throughout the community and gained millions of deployments. Millions of Windows 11 endpoints were installed using OSDCloud. It happened again. We saw it during CrowdStrike. Thousands of installs of OSDCloud were done, and another few million endpoints and devices were re-imaged with OSDCloud. Today, we see a healthy dose of probably about 10 to 15,000 devices per day using OSDCloud to get on Windows 11 so they can transition into Autopilot for Intune or standalone workstations.